Hey, it's Theo. Thank you for joining me for a mindfulness practice. This practice is designed especially for those who are new to mindfulness meditation and curious to try it out. The term meditation encompasses many different forms of contemplative practice. Central to mindfulness meditation is the aspect of drastically slowing down in the present moment to quiet the mind and align the mind-body experience with the breath. Mindfulness meditation involves paying attention to one's thoughts, feelings, body sensations, and external surroundings in the present moment without judgment. The idea is to sit still and cultivate awareness around what is actually emerging in the moment, whether we are lost in thought or open and aware. Let's get started. Find a comfortable place where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes. Whether you are sitting in a chair or on a meditation cushion, notice the places where the body touches the ground. Take a moment to notice how your body feels. Settle into your posture. Sit upright and allow your shoulders to gently drop. If you'd like, close your eyes or soften your gaze downward to help minimize distractions. Now bring your attention to the natural flow of your breath. Pay particular attention to each breath coming into the body with an in-breath and leaving the body with an out-breath. Simply breathe in slowly through your nose, pause briefly, and then breathe out fully through your mouth. There's no need to change anything. Just observe its natural rhythm. If your mind starts to wander, which is perfectly normal, simply notice where it went, then gently bring your attention back to your breath, letting go of any judgment or commentary. Now bring your attention to the sensations of your breath. Feel the air as it enters through your nose, fills your lungs, and then leaves your body. Notice the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. Continue observing your breath for a few more moments, allowing thoughts, feelings, and emotions to drift by like clouds in the sky without attaching to them. For the next few sips of breath, let each in-breath be a new beginning. Let each out-breath be a letting go. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes if they were closed, or lift your gaze and take a few moments to notice how your body feels and to become aware of the space around you. Finally, thank yourself for creating time for this practice today. No matter what your day brings, taking a moment to reconnect with the present moment can be a powerful tool. By pausing, breathing, and paying attention to your mind-body experience, you pave the way toward clearer understanding and insight of who you truly are. My hope is that you will keep in mind that in meditation, perfection is not the goal. Rather, it is consistent practice that undeniably creates a significant impact. Thank you for your practice.